Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide Binance beginners through the sign-up process step by step. Just follow along step by step. If you sign up by clicking the link below this video that you're watching right now, you'll receive a 20% discount on Binance trading fees along with various bonus rewards, so I highly recommend registering through the link. First, I'll guide you through how to create a Binance account. Click the link below to open the Binance sign-up page. On the left side of the screen, you'll see that a 20% Binance fee discount is applied, and bonus rewards are available. To create an account, please enter your email address or mobile phone number. Check the agreement box below, and click Continue. Match the image that corresponds to the word shown in the top left corner. Once a verification code is sent to your email or phone, enter the code. Next, please create a password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and include a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. After that, you'll see the account creation completion screen. If you are prompted to enter and invite a code, please enter BB333. This will give you a 20% Binance trading fee discount, along with bonus rewards. If you followed all these steps, your Binance account has been successfully created. Next, I will guide you through the Binance KYC verification process. To deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance, KYC verification is required. Since the KYC process includes face verification, we'll complete it using a mobile phone. Please install the Binance app on your phone. Open the Binance app, and tap the login button to sign in. Log in using the account you just created, and you'll be taken directly to the KYC verification step. First, select your nationality. Next, proceed with identity verification. From the list of available IDs, choose the one you have. I'll proceed using a passport. Now, prepare your ID and select Take Pictures. Tap Continue at the bottom of the screen. Next, scan the passport information page within the camera frame. After that, complete face verification to confirm your identity. Align your face within the frame, nod your head, and blink your eyes as instructed. Once this is done, the KYC process will be completed within about 1 hour. Once the review is finished, your status will change to verified. Finally, I will guide you through how to set up Binance security settings. Now, let's go back to the PC screen. To set up security, click Account from the left menu, and then select Security. In this video, we'll set up security using an Authenticator app. Click Manage next to Authenticator app. Then click Enable Authenticator app. When a verification code is sent to your email or phone number, enter the code. An Authenticator setup pop-up will appear. Now, search for and install Google Authenticator on your phone. Open Google Authenticator, then tap the plus button at the bottom right, and select Scan a QR code. Next, scan the QR code displayed on your PC screen. A 6-digit code labeled with the Binance name will be generated in Google Authenticator. Remember this 6-digit code. Then return to the PC screen and click Next. Enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into the Authenticator app code field. With that, your security settings have been successfully completed. In this video, we guided Binance beginners through the sign-up process step by step. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment anytime. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll be back with more helpful videos soon.